Hey, welcome to another episode of GeekOutdoors.com. And so today I'm going to be highlighting some small YouTuber channels. Each one of these channels currently have less than 1,000 subscribers, and there are people who are active in the Geek Outdoors community, but most importantly, they're fellow YouTube content creators with their own channel and with their own community that they are growing. So starting off with the first channel is High-End Cheap Tech. And just as the title says, he actually covers more affordable or cheap technology. And what Tim does here is he really focuses on mostly smartphones, but he also talks about other things related to technology as well. Not only other hardware like keyboards or routers or earphones, but sometimes he also talks about different things related to technology. And me being a geek and loving technology, I actually enjoy watching his channel. And the thing that I like about Tim's perspective is the fact that he takes it more from a real world use. Okay, so I think those are the most valuable because he does use the products that he talks about. And most of the things that he covers, these are things that I think most people in the real world would actually face as well. And Tim also has a history, a background in the Navy. And so he has a lot of real life experience. And so I find that interesting as well because you can learn a lot from people with a lot of experience. And so that is the very first channel, High-End Cheap Tech. If you enjoy technology, specifically more affordable options, then I recommend you go check out his channel. For serious YouTubers, check out TubeBuddy, the premier tool used at GeekOutdoors.com. Get more done today by checking out the affiliate link in the description area below. And so the second channel I want to cover is Grampie's Workshop. Now what he does on his channel is he basically covers things that you could do around the home, whether it's installing a door, whether it's shutting off your irrigation system, or whether it's something a little bit more unique like collecting maple syrup from a tree. Grampie does a great job of doing that, and he does it in a way that is really fun, educational, but at the same time he has a really warm personality. And he also does some vlogs as well. So as you can see here, he talked about their experience after Hurricane Dorian. And so all of these things I think really help to bring you into his workshop and kind of feel like he's working along there with you. And so these are the two small YouTube channels that I want to cover today. First and foremost, I want to thank both of these people for actually being contributors to the Geek Outdoors community. And I also want to congratulate them on creating their channels, really adding a lot of value to people's lives and growing their own communities. And so if you are interested in the type of content they produce, be sure to head over to their channels. I will leave links to their channels in the description area below. And as always, if you did get value out of these videos, be sure to share, like, and subscribe. Hey geeks, if you are a creative geek like me and you wanted to learn how to create content on YouTube and other places on the internet, then check out my Gold Content Creators Group, where you'll get access to 30 videos plus additional content for all the creative geeks out there. And the best part of it is, all of this is free. Simply head over to the link below, check out my page, and sign up for my Gold Content Creators Group. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the other side. Thanks for checking out this episode. And as always, if you like these videos, be sure to click on the subscribe button. And for full written content, audio content, and additional geek stuff, head over to geekoutdoors.com, and I'll see you outdoors on the very next episode.